My name is Larry Eiseman, and this is the Eiseman House in the neighborhood of Carlisle, Washington, in Bothell, city of Bothell. 13 siblings, 11 of them were adopted. My parents passed away, and the house has become unmanageable. So I had to reach out to somebody to help us to maintain or make this house so it's easier to maintain. So I reached out to Nicole, who is an agent with Windemere, and Windemere is here doing their charitable project for the year, and they are helping us kind of make it and bring this house back to a manageable capacity.
I reached out through social media on Facebook and asked if anybody knew an organization or a family that needed help, and I heard back from Larry, and I came out and saw the project. I knew we just had to do it.
Myself, I was the first of 11 children that were adopted, and there were 6 of us that grew up, and then my mom started foster parenting in this home. And during all the years that she was a foster parent, there's been over 500 kids that have gone through this home, and of those, there were 7 that were never considered adoptable. So my mom ended up adopting all of them. So that's why she used to have a license plate that says Mom of 13. But now there are 6 siblings still living in this home that are that have special needs, and so I'm here to take care of them on a daily basis. But the community coming together here to make this a better home for them is greatly appreciated, and I have so much gratitude for this group of realtors, Windemere, and everybody involved with this project.